Are you tired of your 9 to 5 grind or looking to earn money online, but you have no experience? Guess what? You can start freelancing today, even if you've never done it before. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to start freelancing with zero experience and start making money from home in 2025. Welcome to CashFlow Vault, your guide to online income. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more daily videos about passive income and freelancing. So what exactly is freelancing? Freelancing means offering your skills and services to clients without being tied to a full-time job. It could be anything: writing, design, voiceovers, virtual assistants, video editing, or even data entry. The best part? You choose the work, your schedule, and your income goals. But I don't have any skills. That's what most beginners think. Here's the truth. You can start with skills you already have, or learn in-demand services online, many for free. Some easy entry freelancing gigs include transcription basic graphic design using Canva social media posting, virtual assistant tasks, writing simple blog articles using AI tools like ChatGPT. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to solve a problem for someone else. Pick one skill to start with. Don't try to do everything at once. Start with something simple, like writing short blog posts, removing image backgrounds, typing handwritten notes, creating Instagram posts using templates. You can always scale later. Focus is key when you're just starting out. Set up your freelancer profile. Now it's time to set up your online presence. Here are the best platforms for beginners. Fiverr, great for small gigs and quick tasks. Upwork, better for long-term work and serious clients. Freelancer.com, competitive but has entry-level jobs. People Per Hour or Guru, lesser known but still effective. Tips for a good freelancer profile: use a professional photo or avatar. Write a strong bio focused on helping the client list your services clearly. Add a simple portfolio, Canva designs, writing samples, etc. Build a simple portfolio. No experience? No problem. Create your own sample projects. For example, write a blog post about a topic you like. Design a logo for a fake brand. Edit
devam
a
et
short
sonra
video
yazmaya.
clip. Make a simple landing page. Show potential clients that you can deliver quality work, even if you've never had a real job before. How to get your first client? This is where most beginners give up. Don't be one of them. Tips to land your first job: send 10 custom proposals per day. Focus on the client's needs, not your resume. Use Upwork's filter to find entry-level jobs. Start with low pricing, just to build reviews, then raise it later. Offer extra fast delivery as a bonus. Be polite, helpful, and professional in every message. Once you get your first 1-3 clients and good reviews, you'll start getting more offers. Scale your freelance business. After your first few gigs, it's time to raise your prices and build your brand. Create repeat clients by delivering amazing service. Add premium packages or rush delivery. Learn high-paying skills like copywriting, web design, or video editing. Build a personal website or use LinkedIn to attract bigger clients. This is where freelancing turns from a side hustle into a full-time income stream. Freelancing changed thousands of lives, and yours could be next. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. Just start, stay consistent, and keep learning. The best time to start freelancing was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to CashFlow Vault, comment below. I'm ready to freelance.